Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Vercel. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to connect your Namecheap domain to Vercel, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Vercel project and you want to go ahead and click on settings here. And from here at the left side, you want to go ahead and click on domains. Now in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and go to your Namecheap account, log in into your account, and click on manage here on your domain. Now from here, what we need to do next is we want to go to advanced DNS, and once in advanced DNS, we want to go and copy the actual domain here. So let's go and copy the actual domain, go back into our Vercel account, and you want to go and click on add. Now by the way, if you don't see add here, just click on search. It will redirect you to that appropriate section. So in this case, go and paste our domain here. Make sure there's no spaces at the end or start here. And from here, you could go and set your environment. And if you want to set up redirect to, but for now, let's go and click on add domain. It's going to say or give you the following options here. So I would recommend you use the recommended option. Click on add. Now from here, once we've done that, it's going to start checking a few things. But what we need to do is we just need to basically add the following records. So in this case, you have the A record as well as the C name record here. So what we need to do is you want to go back into your Namecheap and you want to go ahead and click on the add new record. Choose your proper one, like for example, A record. You want to go ahead and go back here. The name is going to be at. So go ahead and add the name for it. From here, let's go ahead and add the value for it, IP address. And from here, you can go and click on the save changes, or if you want to add another one, go and click on add record, click on CNAME record. Then the host is going to be this one. So it's going to copy the following www. And from here, paste it. Target is going to be the following values here. Let's go and copy it. And from here, make sure there's no spaces. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on check, save changes. And you want to go ahead and click on check again to save the changes. And from here, you just need to wait for it to basically start reconnecting. So it will refresh from time to time here. Just wait for it to connect automatically. It might take a while, so 24 to 48 hours. Just wait for it. But usually, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to end of the inspo. Thank you for watching.